Did you miss the Bitcoin bull run and are you feeling FOMO? In today's video, I'm going to break out what you need to do right now to make money in crypto. And don't worry if you missed out, if you were like, what the hell just happened? Bitcoin is back to all-time highs. How did this happen overnight? Don't worry, we'll be talking about it today. We'll talk about the next steps, where most likely crypto, the whole market and Bitcoin is going to go, and what can you do to capitalize on that. We haven't talked about Bitcoin in quite some time. You guys remember we're buying the lows near the $25,000 pretty much the last time we talked about it. It's been a while. But Bitcoin's going up, stocks are going up. It's really feeling back like we're in 2020 where everybody's making money and there's literally nothing better to see than people making money. I know people really seem to enjoy the bear markets because they get burned in the bull market, but there's really nothing better than seeing everybody making money, everybody happy again on Twitter Spaces and everything like that. So don't worry, today we'll talk about what's been happening with Bitcoin, where most likely it can be going next, and where levels to buy. Where should we buy? Should we be FOMOing now when it's up around 25%? How was the news of the ETFs pump the price this much, which is a little bit shocker for a lot of people. But don't worry, we'll talk about that in today's video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and if you let me know in the comments. I'll do a lot more YouTube videos. I know I'm gonna get in the office. I keep saying that. I know. I promise you guys. It'll be this week. I'll have a new setup. I think towards the end of the week. If you have any suggestions on what I should do my new setup, just comment down below. Here it is in all of its glory, the monthly Bitcoin chart. And as you guys can see, pretty much since the end of last year, which is around September, Bitcoin has had a meteoric rise of about 160%. Now, from the lows, which were around January 2023, it is up around 300, a little around 300%, or at 3x on your money. The best time to buy, as we can see, was obviously near these lows here after the whole FTX and Celsius and Binance. You guys remember those really tough times for crypto, but pretty much came from 2022, middle of 2022, to about beginning to mid of 2023, and then after that it's just been on a nuclear run. I understand now a lot of people are gonna be getting back in the crypto space. They feel like they missed out and they really want to chase this price up here. We have to understand, where are we? We might hit all-time highs in this video. We're literally about $500 away, if not less, about $450 away from all-time highs on Bitcoin. And what would you expect near these all-time high levels? We have actually tested these all-time highs. This previous all-time highs was really a test of the old all-time highs. What do we want to see here for price to continue to moon on this Bitcoin? Number one is we want this monthly candle, which is pretty much this March candle, to close above this key area. This key area will be about 58,000. Right here, 61,782. If the Bitcoin candle can break above this and come back down to retest this and hold as a support, these will most likely hit around this $85,000 to $95,000 area. I think we're gonna have a hard time hitting the $100,000 area, but it is totally possible. So let me give you guys a couple of what I'm expecting and where I'll be buying Bitcoin, and then we'll get into Ethereum and a couple altcoins. So depending, I'm gonna give you guys 2 to 3 scenarios. Scenario A is we break, hold about this on March, and we come back test this. If we close the whole candle over the 61,500, 61,700, this middle part right here, I will be looking to buy on the retest to load up and look for the move to $95,000. If this does not happen, if we get the rejection like we got here, if this March candle will close below 62,000, really essentially below 62,000, I will be a buyer of Bitcoin down back here. We have about a pretty big imbalance in this monthly candle, and this $49,000 should be held as a nice little support. Not only that, if we do plan to go any lower, I will go to my Fibonacci tool and look for some potential areas to buy, as these have been really great areas in the past to buy. My next area will be around $38,000 to $35,000 here, as well as we have a pretty big imbalance here on these monthly candles. Keep in mind, crypto guys, we're looking to play the long-term game. We're not looking for day trades, we're not looking for swing trades. We're trying to buy these and hold and make these really large gains, right? Since I have some crypto from 22,000, 25,000, I'm not planning to sell it unless we see some signs that the crypto is slowing down, like we saw here. We see before after we get these huge green candles, we usually get a doji candle before a small red candle before the sell-offs, and those are the times that I'll be looking to take profits, just simply following the price action on this larger time frame. And so often we get so caught up in the small time frames that we forget the importance of the high time frame. As you can see, 68,621, a nice little more push here. We could hit a potentially new all-time highs on Bitcoin as I'm recording this video, which I did not expect this. I did not predict this to be a all-time highs on recording this video. But hey, let's see what happens. We'll need a little more push. And crypto has also hit all-time highs on different currencies. So those are the areas that I will be looking to buy. 49,000 if we get a close below this on the March, or if we do break above and hold it, a retest to the $62,347 level. Those are the main key areas. Of course, other key areas can be this previous all-time highs. If we do just break and keep going on a retest, at some point it's 68,610, 69,000 really will be a potential area of support, as we saw from this previous all-time highs here. As you guys can see, we overshot them just a little bit here on the previous 2018-2019 run, but we overshot them a little bit, and then we came back up. A lot of people were expecting that crypto was making something like this July pump, and it was going to consolidate and just hold for a long time and wait for pretty much that the halving that we expected, right, later on this year. But crypto decided to just say, hey, no, we're going to move with a lot of different positive news, as such as the crypto ETFs, which I will admit I did get partially wrong, as I did think we'd get a little sell-off on the crypto ETFs. I actually shorted shortly after the news. Now that short actually ended up playing out quite nicely and made a nice little bag. I shorted around $8,000 mark, which was very nice near the size, and rolled it pretty much all the way down to about 39,000 here. I had some lower PTs, but they did not get hit. They got stopped on the profit, and that was it. I was expecting a little bit of a pullback, but hey, we did not get it. We did not get it. On this hourly time frame, let's see what Bitcoin wants to do. It had this really tight consolidation area and then a huge move to the upside. This huge move to the upside can usually be calculated by looking for how long the leg of the bull flag was, and then how long can we predict it. So that was about 16%, and this nice push higher should be looking at around 16% again, which would put it right around that $72,000 area. Now we do have the all-time highs, and we'll have to see if Bitcoin can just break and blow past it, or it's gonna struggle a little bit. And then something on this hourly time frames that's been really easy to trade is just pumps, consolidates, pumps, consolidates. It's nice. It's as simple as that. Follow the trend, guys. The trend is your friend. But let's quickly talk about Bitcoin dominance and how strong Bitcoin has been versus some of these altcoins. If we go to this Bitcoin dominance chart, this shows the presence of Bitcoin versus altcoins, meme coins, whatever you want to call them. And we saw that once Bitcoin had broken and held above, look, even keen to retest this, we saw that dominance really pick up. This means that Bitcoin is outperforming the rest of the market, something we're not seeing since pre-2021. Now we can expect this Bitcoin dominance to potentially go a little bit higher, around this 57.42%. But what this is telling us is that Bitcoin is hitting, after ranging and breaking out of this, it's going to continue to outperform the altcoins. But now this is not negative news for altcoins. This is actually a good time that if you miss Bitcoin, maybe getting to some altcoins might be the right move, because if we see Bitcoin get some weakness, we've not got an altcoin season, we got some meme coin season, we're not getting some of these really good quality altcoins really outperform Bitcoin. We've seen Ethereum is has not broken all-time highs yet. Bitcoin is much closer to it. But I believe once we get around 57% here of the market cap, altcoins could begin to run. Now, what altcoins am I gonna be looking to pick up? Of course, an easy one will be Ethereum. Ethereum here still has a lot of room to make, and during altcoins, this can still has 40% under its all-time highs, and this can have clear room past 5,500 all the way up to $6,000. It is up, so we'll be looking for some dips around the low 3,000, around $3,000, 2,900. That's where I'll be looking to pick up some of this. Another one that has been violently outperformed by most of the market is ADA, Cardano. You guys, Cardano, 75 cents. Because remember, this at the highs of $2.5 to $3. Another one that has now finally looks like it's bottom out. It's looking like that initial run earlier in the year of last year from Bitcoin has started to push up, and we can expect these higher lows, and looking for price targets of in the mid 150s to $2. Now with some of these altcoins, we can expect them to hit all-time highs, but they don't have to hit all-time highs. So I think Cardano is still a really nice pickup. We know they have a really good community. People are behind this coin, and they're not gonna let it just be useless. Some other names to think about when it comes down to crypto. I really like ENG. We had a really strong breakout on pullbacks down to around this 43 cents area. We can see some potential nice buys. This was a coin that hit highs of $5 over here, almost 450 to 480 there, and it started again, has a nice really bottom, and it's starting to break out. As Bitcoin hitting the all-time highs, hopefully brings some weakness to it. We can capitalize when someone is altcoins. As you guys know that with altcoins, it's all about spreading yourself out a little bit on different coins and then letting them run, hitting those big 5 to 10x coins. Another one that we do need to pay attention to will be something that I really like is Chainlink. Link USD is a coin that I was picking up very highly, around $8 to $10. You guys have been very bullish on Chainlink, and again, kind of I want to say outperforming the market, but doing really well compared to some of the market around there, right? Only down about 170% here, to, pretty much a 2x almost from the bottoms, which is much better than a lot of these altcoins. Again, altcoins are not hitting all-time highs, but they're starting to pick up some of the steam that on dips they could be really strong buy. One that's doing really well as of recent was Dogecoin. Look at this Dogecoin, just insane pump here, as well as Shiba Inu, right? Some of these meme coins are starting to show. Look at this pump on Shiba, which is being really just an insane pump here on Shiba Inu. Something that we did really well trading the last bull run. So some of those are meme coins that we can expect some pumps. Another one that could do something, Luna. Luna's not really done crazy. Remember the last, this kind of started a bear market. Hasn't anything crazy, but hey, maybe, just maybe, something can happen here, right? This will be, let's go to there's this one. This is the Luna C. No, not Luna C. This is the regular Luna C. Cannot move really that well. But something like this, maybe, just maybe, we'll have some insane pump on this. Who knows? We've seen crazier things in the crypto market. I do think it's worth putting a little bit of money, guys, with this altcoins, with this, these different coins. You have to be strategic. Not go all in on any coin. Some of these coins can go to zero, can be worthless. It's all about spread. Even if you're a small client, say you have $2,000, spread yourself out. Put $200 in one different type of coin. For example, put $200 in gaming, right? This was a hot sector last time, gaming / metaverse. Put $200 in utility coins, like Ethereum and some of these blockchains. Put $200 in AI coins, right? AI coins. Put $200 into meme coins. Right, people laugh at meme coins, you invest in meme coins, but look at Doge, look at Shiba, you can make money, guys. So that's what the crypto market is. It's wild west, but it can give us, with a little bit of money, can make us a ton of money. The coins I should buy down below. I also asked the question over on Twitter, asked what coin should I put $25,000 in tonight. Let's see what they say. If you're saying Byte, if you're saying Floki, if you're gonna say Shiba, let's see if any of you guys are right. We'll trust our boy Johnny. We'll take a quick look at Byte and see if I'm gonna drop $25,000 in it. Byte just near all-time highs. I don't know if it's something, I don't like to buy near all-time highs, but just be an insane coin. Look at this, up around almost 175x. We got Floki, guys. Let me know. Go to my Twitter. Trying to get me to 2,000 followers. I know we can do it. And let me know what coins you're buying. As always, leave a like, subscribe below, and peace out.